Can you all see my screen?
Not yet. It's not visible. Yeah, now we can.
All right, great. So, warm welcome to each one of you from my heart to yours. I really appreciate that you are consistent every single day, and I would love you to take your hand and say, "Well done, good job." Right? It will always be difficult to show up in life, and this is not just about mastering money energy. It's about mastering my own energy and my own consistency. That when I decide to do something, I just do it because your is just listening to you all the time. Okay, so if I decide to do something, I just do it. That should be the inner conversation that should be going in your head. So yesterday we did a beautiful exercise to understand how to create the emotion of safety, create the emotion of security, create the emotion of feeling loved, create the emotion of feeling cared for, because most of the world today is feeling the opposite of this. And we all go through this where we don't feel safe, where we don't feel secure, where we don't feel like anybody loves us. We feel even if somebody is loving, it's fake. Nobody cares for me, right? So that is where the internal dialogue is going. And I would highly encourage all of you to really go back to the emotion where you felt that safety, where you felt that security. Zoom user, is it Archana? Who is it? Zoom user, who is this? This one? Is it Archana? Write your
Her
name.
camera is also off.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Yes, Archana.
Now,
Yes, yes. I just guessed. But okay, I'll just rename it. Alright. So yeah, again, warm welcome to each one of you. Archana, Kanchan, Gitanjali, Anuradha, iPhone. Change your name. You have a name, right? Okay. I've given you a nickname. Chalo. So internalize these beautiful emotions, because more you will practice these emotions, more it will become yours and will be feeling like home to you. Otherwise, the opposite feels home to us, right? Now, I would love you to give yourself evidence. Most of you have given. So, if you don't have any memory, anybody here who doesn't have any memory of feeling, say, any of these emotions, tell me so that I can create a new memory for you. You don't have any single memory of where you felt completely safe, which can be the case. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Any of you where there's not a single memory where you felt safe, where you felt secure, where you felt loved? It should be 4 memories, not one memory. One memory safe, one memory secure, one memory loved, one memory cared. Got it? All of you have a memory? At least one? If you have it, just say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
yes.
Then great, we all are lucky then. Perfect, beautiful. Winner among winners! Such a beautiful, beautiful, amazing exercise. Uh, this exercise in itself has the power to fetch you millions. And when I'm saying this, I truly mean that. To get into that energy where everything is easy, where everything is effortless, you will be taking up a lot of efforts, but it will not look like that. Okay? So it's not about you be lying on bed and sleeping. I'm talking about you will be doing a lot of things, but it will not feel like that. For example, when somebody is going to gym every single day, and there will come one day when lifting 50 kg and 100 kg is effortless. Are you getting me? It's effortless. It's because they have built themselves in that way. So similarly, I would love you to go there where everything feels effortless. It's a journey to take, and that's the journey we are taking. Okay, so create the journey for yourself. So today, what to do? Write down this line. I'm winner among winners, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm winner among winners, and I'm so proud of myself. Write it, and then I will let you understand how to feel this. Go there. I'm winner among winners, and I'm so proud of you. So proud of myself, and I'm also proud of all of you. Okay? Close your eyes, all of you. Keep your notebook, keep your pen. Just be relaxed. Close your eyes, sit back. Let yourself relax completely. Nothing is more important at this moment other than you. Take this moment to connect to yourself. Now I would love you to really see yourself in a big mansion kind of place. It can be a hotel, it can be a house. I would love you to see yourself in a big mansion kind of place where you are there. I would love to see what are you wearing, how are you looking. And now I would love you to see that you're walking, 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 and you reach to a door. On the door, it is written very, very clearly, VVIPs only. Okay, on the door it's written VVIPs only. And you look at that door, you open up that door, and now you can see the 5 people you really admired and you wanted to become like them. All of those 5 people are sitting in that meeting, conference kind of a room. It's a cozy room. 5 people you have admired are there on that table. I would love you to read the names. Who is sitting on the first chair? I would love you to see. Go, give them a hug, a tight hug. Then I would love you to see who's sitting on the second chair. Give a great, beautiful smile. Give a tight hug to them. I would love you to see who is sitting on the third chair, whom you really admired. Go, give a tight hug to them. Go to the fourth chair, who is there sitting. Go, give a tight hug to them. And as you see the fifth chair, it's your name written. Okay? See your name written there very, very clearly on that chair. It's the sitting made for you. Read out your name. And you sit there, you look at the entire room, you feel the room. And you are totally feeling you. It's not that by chance you are there, you belong there. You belong to that place. It's your place. You look around the people and say, I am one of them. in your mind, I'm one of them. I'm winner among winners and I'm totally proud of myself. I'm winner among winners and I'm very, very proud of myself. I totally belong here. Feel the feeling which is there in your heart while you are sitting there. Get into the feeling. And once you are ready, I would love you to come out of it. If you felt like a winner, just write winner. Or you can put your hand on your heart that you felt it. Great. Because you are. We forget our worth. Okay? We just forget. We will remember what people have said negative, but we'll forget what 100 of good things people have told to you. Okay? So that is how it works. So this is a very powerful exercise that I would highly encourage all of you to do. Even after the session will end, you should continue doing this. This is again a very, very powerful exercise that will really, really help you. And so many of my clients have reported this exact people they have thought of. It has actually happened for them. Exact people. Okay? So this is again a very powerful exercise that I really love to do. Yes, I'm winner among winners. Alright. Again, as we know, love is the emotion and we are mastering the emotions of love that towards the end of 21 days, your each and every cell should start vibrating in love. You should think of how not to love rather than how to love, right? So that should be the predominant emotion that I would love encourage each one of you to feel. So today what the next exercise that we are going to do together will be, we are going to send loving thoughts to yourself that why money really loves you, why money really loves to come to you. Second, you will send loving thoughts to your work. How many times in the day we say, oh my God, my boss is like this, oh my God, my work is like this, oh I have to work late night, oh my God, now also I have to take this, now also I have this, it's very hard, it's very difficult. How many times, right? Correct? But have we ever sat down and sent the positive thing that, oh my God, I'm so grateful I have this work, because of this work I get salary or like 30th every single day, because of this business, because of this service I really get to do this, because of this I really have a name, because of this, whatever. I would love you to send loving thoughts to your work. Getting it? Okay. So sending some loving thoughts to your work that, wow, I'm just a chosen person to do the work. If you are a homemaker, even then. I don't think any of you here is homemaker, but doesn't matter. Even if you're a homemaker, even then. Loving thoughts to you, do you know how important you are? You have just forgotten. We have just given the credit, somewhere we have just forgotten, going out and working for money is the only thing and is the best thing that we can do. I'm fully into it. I'm a working woman myself. But it's not that. The work that, even if the work that you are doing, I would love you to run your home like a CEO. Have a menu book, have a maintenance list, have employees, the people who are working there in your home, right? So even run your house like a CEO, I feel, like a company. Okay, that will really give you that fulfilling feeling. No, I'm not somebody who is just a housewife, you are not, or just a homemaker, and I'm just sharing it with you because you all will go out and spread this message to someone, right? That's why I'm just giving you this message. You don't need it, any of you here. So that's why I'm just giving a message, because you are not taking care of your family, taking care of the home. Think of different colors, think of different cushions, think of date nights, think of today will be a beautiful family day, you will decorate. You can just make it so interesting. We make the work low and the people around make us feel that the work is low. Again, right? So let no one feel that, let no one make you feel that. So I'll give you 7 minutes. 7 minutes? Yeah, 7 minutes. And I would love you to give at least five points to each. Okay, loving thoughts to why money loves you. Why? So we have been thinking, we have been conditioned to think the opposite. Why money doesn't love me? Why money doesn't come to me, right? Now I'm just training you slowly to think opposite. Why money really loves me? Yeah, money really loves me because that time also when I was in the problem, somebody helped me. Money really loves me because that day also I thought, how will the next meal happen, and it happened. That time also there was an operation and I thought, oh my God, now I'll not be able to arrange that much amount, and it just happened. Are you getting me? So I would love you to really think, why money really loves me? Okay, think in the opposite, because the mind is like a Google. It's moldable, and it's like a Google. Whatever you will search, it will give you the answer. You ask why money doesn't love you, that it will give answer. Why money loves you, that it will give. Why I'm jinxed, that it will give you answer. Why I'm the luckiest person on this earth, that also it will give answer. So the quality of questions decide your life. All of you write this. The quality of questions will decide the quality of your life. What are you asking yourself? Start asking profound questions. There's a book, I don't remember exact name, where it's only the questions that you should ask to yourself. Okay. The name of the book I'm forgetting. I'll just look at my bookstore and tell you. For now, let's start. All of you got the exercise, what you need to do. So four things on the screen that you can see, that I would love you to send loving thoughts to yourself, because you are the creator. You are the creator. Everything is flowing through you. You are a river. So everything that you are creating, if you are clean and clear, and everything will be flowing like that. If you are full of dust and smoke and beads and all the kachra here, that is what will be flowing. Okay? So the most important person that you need to work on is yourself. So send love and don't ignore yourself looking after everybody else. Alright, so let's do that. Ready to send loving thoughts to all the 4 areas? If yes, just nod yes, yes, yes. Let me see that you are completely in that energy to get into that, right? Okay. All of you can see the questions, right? This is on the screen. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Written exercise. It's a written exercise. Alright, all of you got something on paper, were able to create some points that why money really loves you, sending good, beautiful, loving thoughts and appreciate the work that you are doing, right? No matter what you are doing, you are contributing. You know that? My work is direct contribution, but doesn't matter what you are doing, you are contributing. You are contributing. Even if you are taking care of one person, you are contributing. Even if you are making one, you are working in a serial, you are contributing, right, to the entertainment. You are working as a doctor, you are contributing. You are working as a healer, you are contributing. You are working as a homemaker, you are contributing. You are working as an entrepreneur, you are contributing. You are working as a social media influencer, you are contributing. Just have this word of contribution that I am contributing, and you will see that you are contributing actually. Alright? Okay, so let me just remove that quickly. Okay. Alright, all of you got something on paper, just do yes.
Yes.
Yes. Great. Beautiful. Feeling that feeling of love in your heart that yeah, I'm doing something valuable and I deserve to be in abundance because I'm doing a work which is valuable. Alright. One homework that I would love you to give, I would love you to find a tree, okay? Any tree from your balcony. Do you have a tree, all of you? When you open up your window, can you see a big tree? If you can, just do yes. You can, right?
Yes.
So I would love you to associate each leaf with 1,000 rupees or $1,000 note or a euro, whatever works for you. And I would love you to count that how many. Okay, so you're looking at nature because nature is the force of abundance, and each leaf is an amount you can associate with. That means you are immersing yourself in abundance of nature, and you're combining nature with money, the force. You are getting closer to that abundance energy. You are getting closer to that abundance force. So I would like you to count 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, or 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. If 1,000 feels very small, do 1 lakh. 1,000, 1 lakh feels very big. Each leaf should be one amount. It can be 1 lakh, it can be 1,000, it can be $1,000, and you will count how many dollars are there on this tree. Are you getting me? That means I would love you to see that like an abundance tree rather than a normal tree. So you have converted that normal tree into a kalpvriksha. I would like you to see that tree as a abundance tree and count. Oh, how many do I have? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 10 lakh, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And you'll feel, oh my god, it's so much, I cannot count anymore. That is where I should reach. You should reach finally. Oh my god, I'll not be able to count so much I have. Getting it, it will help you to get into the feeling that how does it feel to be abundant. So practice this to feel that abundance energy. If you like this exercise, just do yes completely, right? So this will really help you to get into that abundant energy because you are actually associating nature together. Very powerful exercise. So you can spend 10 minutes as soon as you get up. We all look outside, we all sit with a tea, have a tea and count. Right? This will become, all of this that I'm saying, because we are doing it at a duration, it will become part of your DNA. I know that. You don't have to worry about, will I be able to remember? You will be able to, I know that. You don't have to worry about it. And whatever you will forget was to be forgotten. Whatever you need in life, you will actually absorb it. It will get inside you. Don't worry about that. The creative forces of a stuck reality. So there are 5 creative forces. If you have any of them, you will be stuck. I would like you to analyze. I don't need your nodding. I would like you to do a self audit. Any of you living in a lot of complaint. This person has not done the right thing to me. I don't have this. Why has this happened to me? Right? This is not fair. This is not the right thing that has happened. I don't deserve this. This is very wrong that God has done to me. You will feel stuck, complaining. Second is condemning. Condemning is like where you are saying, you're just minimizing what has happened. You're just minimizing the other person's thing, criticizing. You know it, I don't need to explain it. Resistance. Resistance is again a very beautiful thing where something is happening and you are not accepting it and you are resisting. I don't like this. I don't like liars. I don't like dishonest people, and we feel a lot of pride in that. We feel I don't like this. But can you see, we are resisting it. We are resisting something that's happening. It's like a flow is happening. I think, I don't want this. I don't want this. It's happening, right? I don't want this. So do not resist what is happening. Because more you resist, just take this hand and do like this. Do like this. I'll just tell you, right? Okay? Easy, right? Do a namaste. Easy? Do a namaste, all of you. Do it to understand it, all of you. Yes. Okay. Now, I don't like the way this hand is. I don't like the way this hand is because I really hate how this hand is with so many lines and wrinkles. I just hate this hand, how this hand looks. I just hate how this hand behaves. Now I want to resist. Now resist this. Put a force. Put a force. Put force. All of you, do that. I would love you to do that. Put force. I don't like this hand. I really don't like this hand. Resist it. Can you see? For how much long you can do? So much of energy wastage. Accepting doesn't mean I agree with you. So many of us feel that. Manisha, that is a wrong thing, right? So you are telling me to, okay, dishonest people are good, okay, lying people are, I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you, why are you there? Why your energy is focusing there? You have such beautiful exercises to do. You have such beautiful places to be. Why are you there resisting somebody or somebody's energy? Right? So we are not there resisting somebody, resisting any change. Acceptance. Okay? And how to accept is not to resist. Not to resist. Oh, why today it's raining? It is. Why in the morning why it's so sunny nowadays? It is. It is, right? Do you have any such special powers? No, today. It should not be a sunny, and it should be like a beautiful, rosy day, spring. If anybody of you have that power, please use that. If you don't have, then just accept it, right? You will save a lot of energy, and all of these five things are the creative forces of a stuck reality. Last, blame. Blame, because of you, my life is like this. And it doesn't mean that you are going and telling it to that person. So what to do? Because Manisha, this is truth for some people, right? मैं complain कर नहीं रही हूँ, ये सच्चाई है मेरी. All right, ये सच्चाई है आपकी. Do you have different truth also in life? You feel like blaming somebody. Do you feel like giving gratitude also to some people, or you don't feel like? Do you have some people for where you can express your gratitude also? Okay, you have some people where they have done miserable, horrible things to you. Are there people who have done just amazing and miraculous things, and you are wondering ki yaar, how and when and how come somebody can do this? Do you have people like that also? If you have, just do this. Can you spend your energy there? If you promise, just do promise. I promise to spend my energy in a better manner, because your energy is priceless. Your energy is not something which you can lutao, lelo. You can't. Your energy is priceless. It's not the knowledge that you are paying for. You are paying for the energy. Getting it? Your energy is priceless. Believe that. Be that. And obviously, do not be the person who is there. If there is somebody doing, Manisha, I am not doing, somebody else is doing, what can you do? What can you do? The other person is complaining, government is like this, tax is like this. Kajal, do you know nowadays how come this government is, how come these taxes are? Do you know how these mother-in-laws are? Do you know how this, that? You are about to get married, so yeah. So what will you do, Kajal? So what will you do? Complaining.
I will let them be. I'll let them be. I'll just focus on being the best version of myself.
So I'm just telling you. So what will you do at that moment?
Yeah, I'll let them be. I'll let them what they are. I'll focus on the good things. I'll focus on improving myself.
Great.
I don't, because I can't change anything or anyone.
At the moment, what will you do? I'm telling you, Kajal, this.
Okay, you are telling me.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like my mother-in-law is this, and Kajal, do you know my life is a hell? Do you know my work is like this? Do you know, Kajal, this is.
Okay. I don't think I'll have to say to that. I think I'll just listen and maybe just smile a little bit.
I would love you to do this. Say, smile.
Yeah.
Smile is the solution of half of your problems. Your wife is shouting at you, can you smile? Your husband is shouting at you, you cannot smile. Okay, all right. So I would love you to really smile, sometimes outside, sometimes in your mind. Sometimes outside, sometimes in your mind. Okay? You cannot smile sometimes in front. Just smile in your mind. Okay, fine. All right, let's move ahead. Stay on your table. Reminder. Stay on your table. You went to a restaurant, right? And you ordered, what you ordered? Tell me, all of us are in a restaurant. So, Gitanjali, Archana, Kanchanji, Kajal, Anu, we all are in restaurant, okay? Together, eating our food. So, what have you ordered? What to order? Tell me quickly, what to order? We are sitting on table number 14, what to order? A very important lesson, you will feel, oh yeah. So, what to order? Tell me. We are on table number 14, what to order? Yes, Kajal, give the order for all of us. What to eat today?
Like, you want me to order food or like something else?
We are in a restaurant.
Okay, so we are ordering food.
Yes.
I'll order pizza, then I'll order French fries, then I'll order Diet Coke.
Okay. So pizza,
Okay.
French fries, diet. All of you are okay with pizza, French fries, and diet coke, or anybody wants something different? Will you eat pizza? Archana,
Different.
it's fine.
No.
Different, okay.
No.
No, something different.
Yeah, something different, which will also tasty but healthy.
Healthy. So healthy pizza.
Yeah, there is healthy pizza. Mhm.
But I think if I have
Home.
to eat healthy, I'll just eat at home.
Yeah.
No, it's nothing like that. There are vegan food, nice,
There are
tasty, healthy. I
absolutely.
like them.
Can
I
order.
like them.
It's fine. Both of us can order ours, right? So we can order all of us, right? So Archana will order healthy vegan food, correct? Gitanjali will go with pizza. Kanchan will go with which one? Healthy one or two? Network issue, voice is breaking.
Yes. I ordered healthy food.
Okay, got it. So healthy food and this junk food, we have got the combination. We will eat whatever whosoever wants to eat. Okay, we are sitting on which table? Table number?
14.
One thing that you all didn't notice that Dr. Lalan was not there on the table, right? So Dr. Lalan was not there. So suddenly Dr. Lalan came and we saw Dr. Lalan there with his family there on the door, and we all got up to greet his wife, greet his children, greet him, right? All of us got up to greet them. Correct? We all will get up now from our place. So we all got up to greet them and include them that, oh, we were just waiting for all of you, you all were not there, and we were just greeting them. And then we gave the order and we sat on table number 10. Where are we now? On table number 10. Now all of us are chatting, enjoying, and suddenly we notice that our food has not come. So we are seeing on other tables, they have got their food. New people have also got their food. But we have just not got food. So we are waiting, okay, maybe my food is taking a little bit longer. We are waiting. But it has been now very, very long. It's like 2 hours past, 1.5 hours past, and now we are getting very, very angry. Why is my food not there? Why is my food not there? Why my food has not arrived?
Because we did not stay on our table.
All the waiter came, checked the table number 14. There was no one on
Right.
table number 14. He took the order back. Now, you are also desiring from a place, I want this, I deserve this, I'll work towards this. You go halfway and then you forget also what you have desired, and you start to create different thoughts. I don't think it works. I think manifesting is a bullshit. Law of attraction is such a scam. Or I don't know, these things actually work. So you desired from a place, but are you on your table? You'll have left the table halfway and you're thinking why it's not happening for me. All of you got that bulb on, just do bulb on. Right? So if you are desiring from a place, stay on your table. You cannot leave the table and expect why my food has not arrived. Your food has not arrived because you are not on the right table. You have just left the table. You have just forgotten that you were there on the different table. That means you have left the energy you were when you created that desire. Universe is working in energies. You have left that energy completely and you have gone into stuck realities. Complaining, criticizing, resisting, sometimes outside, sometimes in your head. We can tell what's going wrong, but how we are telling is a very different way we are saying. Are you getting it? Like, okay,
Yes.
this happened to me, but what is it that the situation was really teaching me? What was that situation really teaching me? Why that person felt that that person can behave like that with me? Where I was not there in my energy. Can you see? It's a very different conversation that you are doing. You are focusing on yourself rather than focusing on how bad that person is, right? Can you all hear me properly?
Yes.
Oh, I can see the message network issue. Yeah, that's it.
Um,
All right. So stay on your table, all of you. Say, I'll stay on my table. I'll stay
yes.
on my table, right? Don't leave your table.
Manisha, I have a thought on this one. That I think, like you said, that we have to stay on the same energy, and that's fine. And that, especially that not letting negative emotions, get at you. I think that's important. But sometimes, like in terms of manifesting, my personal experience has been like sometimes we are too attached to our desire. I think even that's not good, right? Like clinging to it like anything. So for me, what works is sometimes I just let that desire go in a way that I don't turn negative, but I think I just say to the universe that I want this. But even if I don't get it, I'm fine. And then the thing comes. That
Absolutely.
happens with me every time.
Absolutely. This time also,
That's yeah.
that's a rule, right? Create
Yeah. Yeah.
whole desire, and then at the end, you should also
Yeah.
decide, God, either give me this or something better. You decide. You be the,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but this is
Surrender. The act of surrender and desperateness should not be there.
desperateness. There's no
Should
desperate
not be
energy
there.
here. We are
Yeah.
just being in the right energy.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're just in the right energy. We are in the energy of gratitude. We are in the energy of love, no matter what's happening.
Mm. Love and surrender. Yeah.
Energy of, so this is a energy is a different thing, and we are not attached is a different thing, right? You're not
Yeah.
attached, uh,
Yeah.
but you are in the same energy. You are in the same frequency, right?
Hmm.
So that you are
Yeah.
allowed. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you. Let's move ahead. Past is irrelevant. If any of you are thinking, oh, I have done so much in the past, I know nothing has worked. This has happened in the past, this has happened in the past, I've attracted the wrong partner, I've attracted the wrong job, I've attracted the wrong dash, or success never comes to me, I failed in that interview, that also didn't happen, that promotion didn't happen, that business didn't work, that whatever. Past is not equal to your future. Write down this. Past is not equal to your future. Past will only be equal to our future if we are staying in the same energy. Then the past is equal to our future. But if you are working on your energy as we are doing it in the class, you are raising your energy, right? You are not the same person. You are rising 1% every day. If you are rising 1% every day, your past cannot become your future. If all of you got that, just got it. Okay? So your past is only your future if you are staying in your past energy. I would like you to stay in your new energy. Okay, somebody did something wrong to me in the past. That doesn't mean I do not deserve any good relationship, or nobody good can come to me. I'll be open, right? I don't know. It can, because my energy is going to attract the kind of people I'll have in my life. Okay, I'll be surrounded. So very, very important that to just get that past is irrelevant. It's not my future. I feel unsupported. Universe does not support me. Anybody having that thought? Universe does not support me. I feel unsupported by somebody. If you will, actually, whenever you will feel unsupported, your body reacts in a way where your lower back, you will feel hurt. Lower back. I see this all the time. Anytime I will feel I'm not getting supported by XYZ, I will have that lower back. So whenever you have that lower back pain, I would love you to see where am I feeling not supported in my life, and how can I replace it? Can I see the universe and say, oh, universe is supporting me with oxygen, universe is supporting me with water every single day, right? So I would love you to create the energy of support whenever you are feeling unsupported, and replace it with I'm deeply supported. I'm deeply supported. I'm very deeply supported. Tomorrow we will get ahead and get into this how to create this energy of support. Okay, so it's not just I'll tell you that do this, I would help you to do this. So that's the beauty about this whole course, that it's very easy to say, but how to do, Manisha, we will do that, right? How to get into that energy of support where I feel I'm really and deeply and 100% supported, right? Got it? What was your biggest learning? Write in the chat. What was, or any, like, let me hear all of you better. So, Gitanjali, what was your takeaway from the session today? What will be your takeaway today? Because when you speak your takeaway, you'll remember that, right? So, I would love you to share your takeaway. Yes, Gitanjali, what was your takeaway from today's session?
Uh, Firstly, I'll say that you are there with me today.
Hmm.
So it's a positive energy. That's the biggest thing. Secondly, as you said, that we have to stay on our table. That means that what you desire, what you have done, you have to keep that energy and you have to remember that. Okay, so what energy you have put in the universe, start working on that rather than focusing to 10 things around
Is it?
and moving around here and there so that the universe should not be confused कि मैं इसको दूं या नहीं दूं, ये दूं या वो दूं, ये खुद ही confused है, मैं क्या करूं?
True, true, good, good. You got that.
Right? And as you said, past is irrelevant. So yes, if I keep nagging on things that वो हुआ था तो अभी भी कैसे होगा, so that will never work. So we have to move on and think that आगे क्या हो सकता है better. Now I have to change and shift my energy and see what best can come to me.
Love that. Good. So remember that today, Gitanjali. Well done.
Yeah.
Let's
Thank you.
to Gitanjali.
Lots of love.
Let's see the next. Archana, what's your takeaway from today's session?
First, the clarity of mind, whatever you are asking for, whatever you are doing, and with whatever you are attached, if it's about money, relationship, anything. And then the second thing, gratitude. Whatever you have got in life, you need to show the gratitude. And then definitely, whatever happened, acceptance of the things and appreciation of the things in life. And then you say, like, stability of the mind, like whatever you have created in your mind, you need to stay focused and stable towards that. And the last thing about, as you said, about the past, the stuckness in the past, definitely everything is the present which creates our future. So we are meant to create our future on basis of what we are doing today.
True.
Yeah.
So much, Archana. Sending you lots of love. Let's have the next. Let's have Dr. Lalan. Yes, Dr. Lalan. What was your takeaway from the session?
यस मैम, हम लोग को सबसे तो ये लव वाला डेफिनेशन फर्स्ट डे से हम लोग पकड़े हुए मैम. दैट्स गुड. लव एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव एंड लव योर वर्क एटलीस्ट. मतलब काम से अपना प्यार होना चाहिए. मेक इट योर पैशन. फिर आप कितना भी करो थकोगे नहीं, मजा आते जाता है. एंड दैट विल बी गिव योर अनलिमिटेड रिजल्ट्स.
True. Great. So love everything is your.
थैंक यू.
Great. Thank you so much. So that's a beautiful takeaway. If you can be there in love energy, nothing else is actually required. Kanchan, what's your takeaway?
ऑल्सो फॉर वर्क मैम, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था शायद मैंने गलत डिसीजन ले लिया है. जो मैं आयुर्वेदिक कॉस्मेटिक्स पे वर्क करती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था मैंने गलत डिसीजन ले लिया है. मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. मुझे इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है. और दूसरा सपोर्ट का, तो लगता था बच्चे मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं करते क्योंकि सब पढ़े लिखे हैं, पर मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं करते. लेकिन अब लगता है उन्होंने सपोर्ट नहीं किया तब मैं खड़ी हुई. अब मैं अपने वीडियोस बनाती हूँ, डालती हूँ, सब करती हूँ. तो जब सपोर्ट नहीं मिला तो मैंने खुद से वर्क किया उस पर. तो थैंकफुल फॉर कि सपोर्ट नहीं किया.
Sending so much of love. True. Toxic people are actually doing their work. They're actually doing their work. They are doing great work by not supporting. True. All of us, we are because somebody said something to yahan lag gaya. I will prove you wrong. I will prove you wrong. I'm not that. I'm not that label that you have said me कि मैं ये हूँ. मैं ये नहीं हूँ यार. मैं हूँ ही नहीं. But I don't want to explain you.
Yes.
Correct? I'm not wasting
मैम वन थिंग,
two things.
मैम वन थिंग मोर.
Two things.
मैम ऐसा मतलब जब मैं रील डालती हूँ इंस्टा पे, सोशल मीडिया पे, तो मुझे पहले लगता था लोग क्या बोलेंगे, कोई देखेगा तो क्या बोलेगा। अब मैं बोलती हूँ मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है, मुझे वो करना है बस। मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता
Love that.
है।
Love that. That is needed. लोग, you do anything, लोग कुछ बोलेंगे. Right? So that's so love that. So I would love you to do this. One thing more. After. ठीक है. All right. Okay. So we will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. And Kajal and Anu also tell me one line. What's one line?
Yeah. I think my biggest takeaway, because something that I really need is past is irrelevant. I think that's really important to change the past energy and focus on what should be my energy going forward. So I'll just think, I'll just imagine myself in the future. So I'll just be that person rather than somebody who was hurt in the past. And that, yeah. So I think I'll just focus on that. And today, whole day, I'm going to ponder on this a lot.
Good, very good. So that is the whole idea, that you create this energy in the morning and then decide one thing that you are going to focus whole day. That today I'll really, and past means the next, the one moment that has passed is also past, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
One moment that has passed is past. Okay, so really focus on present. That's a beautiful idea to do today, Kajal. I think we all should do this. You just forget
Yeah.
that today itself. Okay, it has gone. Let me see the present, and you will feel a lot more grounded. With that, I just remember do a 1 minute meditation together to feel that where you are present, right? A 1 minute thing. Yes, Anu.
मैम आई एम सो सॉरी, आई थिंक देयर इज अ नेटवर्क इशू, तो वो कुछ मुझे क्लियरिटी नहीं हो रहा है।
Okay, thank you so much. Close your eyes 1 second, all of you. Take a deep breath. Put your energy, put your complete focus to your first finger of your left hand, as if you are doing PhD on the thumb of your left hand. Now put your complete focus to the next finger, just beside the thumb. Just feel it. Now focus on the middle finger. The next finger after the middle, the ring finger. Put your focus like a PhD you are doing on that finger. And finally, the little finger of your left hand. Put your focus there. Now come to the right hand. Put your focus on the thumb. On the next finger of thumb. On the middle finger of thumb, on the ring finger of your right hand, and the little finger of your right hand. Put your focus on the right leg fingers, the toes, all the toes of your right legs. And now put your complete focus on all the toes of your left leg. And as you're feeling present, just feel this beautiful energy. This is your energy. And today I would encourage you to be in the energy of love, presence, and the energy of present, which is the energy of calm. Nothing in the next moment, nothing before this. This moment where you are is life, and it's passing. Thank you so much. Sending each one of you lots of love and a magical, magical day. expect magic to happen every single day. Let's do a group hug. Soul hug. I really feel I'm hugging each one of you as I do this. I think you all can see that in my expressions. So, just a tight hug to each one of you. And I really love you and I really appreciate you and I'm really proud of you. If you feel that nobody loves me, nobody is proud of me, I am. Okay, so one person you need to remember, if you want, just remember me, that I am really proud of each one of you. You are worth that. Okay, so keep doing what you are doing. You all are doing great. Sending you lots of love. Bye. Have a beautiful
Bye.
day.
Bye. Love you.
Bye.